We're at Burning 99 Korean barbecue restaurant. I have my hot pot, I have my vegetables, my flank steak, sausage, I have some seafood over here. Yeah, I am going to enjoy myself, so enjoy the video.
Why not?
Alright, I'm working with my hot pot now because I've already pulled all my meats off the grill. I'm getting my noodles out of the hot pot. I've already pulled my vegetables out of the hot pot, but I do have my corn and my egg and mussels in the hot pot now. So I'm pulling the noodles out, putting it in my bowl with my broth, and then I'll shortly add some bulgogi beef that Tyra had did on the grill. And then I also add some of my vegetables that I've already cooked and cut up, and I'm going to put them in my broth, and then I'm going to eat and enjoy. So y'all see me focusing hard on what I'm doing because I'm using the ladle. Luckily the ladle, it had holes in it, and so I wouldn't get the juice or to break the broth right then. But I found better that I did the tongs. Noodles. That was a lot easier because the noodles I have are udon noodles. Y'all know I love me some udon noodles, so they're thick. I love a good chew. I don't like nothing too soft, so that's what I'm eating, my udon noodles. I'm doing my broth now. Got my meats over on the side, which is shrimp. I have some scallops, sausage, flank steak, which was delicious. Y'all, that was the only meat I got. The flank steak was the only beef I got, except for what I got from Tyra, which was the bulgogi, which was excellent in my noodles. So we're going to have a little bit of conversation now, so I'm going to get out. Well, like that sounds wrong. What I'm doing now is taking the sauce Tyra made. I don't know what she put in it, but I'm putting it a little bit. I'm putting a little bit of it in my broth, give it a little bit more flavor. The broth I did get was the tom yum sauce. It was kind of spicy, had onion and mushroom in it. It was delicious, but I just needed a little bit more flavor because the vegetables do not have seasoning on it, and I did not season it before putting it in it. The waitress we had was really nice. She was very attentive to us to make sure we were good. So now I put my vegetables in, my soup. Well, I won't say a soup. Yeah, it is a soup because it's noodles and broth, but it was delicious. So I ate a couple of them in. I'm going to pull my asparagus off the grill and eat a little bit of them. I wish I had seasoned them. It would have been so much better. I seasoned them after the fact though, but it was good. So yeah, I'm just going to eat and y'all comment, and I'll come back and I'll respond. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, I did eat some pickled radish and some kimchi just to cut the heat from the broth and just to give a little freshness. And then I also put in my crab legs, my king crab, as well as my snow crab, and my corn was super for me. And I add my mussels back in just to warm them up. And I did some more sausage on the grill. Y'all, I had the best seafood roll, which y'all will see at the end. But I'm going to leave it alone now. Y'all go ahead and enjoy and watch me enjoy myself as I enjoy this mukbang for y'all. So you did. But I don't like the seeds to the pepper though. real good. You right there. That meat is delicious. Very. I don't eat that shrimp. I mean that scallop. It's so fishy. What? Oh, you got glass noodles too? Huh? What? What? You bought those chargers? I don't think it fit that. My pocketbook. I made my own seafood bowl with king crab, snow crab, sausage, egg, corn, and mussels. Y'all, it was so delicious. I enjoyed it all. Y'all have to come and try it.
Why not?